All right, episode 13. We've been working on this solar pergola for an eternity. Doesn't seem like we'll ever get to the solar part, but hopefully this documentary will inspire us. So these are the trusses that we had to make for this area to open the space up. So you can see the trusses are 98% complete. Just gotta fasten the ends because one side is still pinned and the other side is still rolling. So yeah, this is what they look like. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it should do what it's supposed to as far as holding the structure up and resisting against hurricane forces, uplift and dead weight, live load. All right, more. Well, before we close it, we like the expanded girth so much that we're probably going to put another one right here. And so we're going to create one more truss structure. It's the problem with the build design concept. Things are always in flux. So we're going to put one more to kind of mirror this post right here. And on this side, we can't really do anything because of the pool. So these will stay with the shallow corridor, and everything over here will have a wider kind of a hallway. Okay, 13.5. As promised, the new truss frame was put up. This is probably our fastest one yet. So we're kind of used to the tempo. So this is what it looks like. It's just kind of freestanding on the ground right now. So that makes a total of 4 truss frames to hold up the this side of the pergola. Now next week we'll probably start working on this side. So it's kind of strange how we started on this end, but we ended up finishing the second half before the first because of the change, I think. So yeah. Once this project is over, I'm going to take an inventory of all the components used and the measurements of everything you see here. So if ever you want to replicate the project, you could do so at your own accord. And yeah, thanks for watching.